This is automatic plant watering system. Here I have kept the soil moisture in one pot, and in one pot I have taken a dry soil, and this is a setup. Here we have used a relay module, Arduino UNO board, and a submersible pump, water pump I have kept in this uh, inside this pot, water. Now I have set the soil moisture 25%. If it is less than 25%, the motor will be automatically turned on. If the soil moisture content is greater than 25, the motor will be automatically turned off. Now the motor is on because the soil moisture is less than 25% now. I have kept soil moisture sensor in dry soil, and it is displaying soil moisture content is 93% in serial monitor. Here I have kept the soil moisture sensor in a dry soil, and the motor is in off condition. And now I am keeping this soil moisture sensor in a wet soil. The motor is turned on now. The motor is turned on, and I'll show you the content of the soil moisture in a serial monitor now. Here now it is showing the soil moisture is 22%. Since the threshold value I have kept as 25%, so the pump is on now. Now I'll take away the soil moisture sensor from the wet soil and I'll keep it in dry soil. Motor is turned off. The moisture level is 95%. In this way, we can automatically turn on and turn off the pump using soil moisture sensor. In this automatic plant watering system, the connection is very simple. First, you take one line as a VCC line on the breadboard, and other line on the other side you consider it as a negative power supply line. So what you do, the positive terminal of 5 volts pin of Arduino UNO board you connect to positive terminal line, and ground pin of Arduino UNO board you connect to ground line of breadboard. This is simple one. And this submersible pump has two wires, positive wire and a negative wire. So positive supply, see the positive supply you connect to the relay model, normally open terminal, and the common terminal connected to positive terminal line. This is positive supply. So this is about submersible pump. Next is soil moisture sensor. This soil moisture sensor has 4 pins, VCC pin, ground pin, D0 pin and A0 pin. Here I am using A0 pin. VCC pin you connect to VCC on the breadboard. Ground pin you connect to ground on the breadboard. And A0 pin you connect to A0 pin of Arduino UNO board. So this is about soil moisture sensor. Then about relay. Relay has 3 terminals input side. In terminal, VCC and a ground. In terminal you connect to pin number 7 of Arduino UNO board because we have used pin number 7 in a program. Then VCC connect to VCC terminal on the breadboard, and ground you connect to ground terminal of the breadboard. So this is the connection diagram for smart watering system. So all will have VCC and ground. Relay has VCC and ground, connect VCC and ground. Soil moisture has VCC and ground, connect VCC and ground. But be careful while connecting submersible pump. So as I have told, like that only you should connect the submersible pump. And one more tips, you should always keep submersible pump in a water before turning on. It should be in water. So dry, you should not run the motor, otherwise the motor will get damaged. This is a code for automatic plant watering system. Here we have considered the A0 analog pin for connecting to the soil moisture pin. The analog pin of soil moisture pin is connected to A0 pin. For that purpose, it is defined. And the relay pin input side in pin. Here, this we are connecting to pin number 7 of Arduino UNO board. That's why we have taken the variable name as relay pin. And we are making relay pin as an output pin. And in order to see the value in serial monitor, we are giving the baud rate as 9600. And to read the soil moisture value between 0 to 2023, we are using a command analog read soil moisture pin, and keep the value in the soil moisture value variable. Then map the soil moisture value to the range between 0 to, if the value is between 0 to 100, if it is giving from the analog read function, then you map it to 0 to 1023. Then print the soil moisture value on the serial monitor, moisture in percentage. So if the moisture percentage is less than 25, then you can turn on the relay by sending high to the relay pin and display the message as pump on. You can modify this value according to your soil moisture value. You can change this. So here I am taking the threshold as 25%. And if it is greater than 25%, and it will turn off the relay module. So turn off the relay module. If it is less than 25%, the relay will be turned on and pump is turned on. And if it is greater than 25%, and the relay will become off and motor will become off. And there is a small delay, short period before reading the soil moisture sensor again. For every reading, we are giving a delay of 1000 millisecond. That is nothing but 1 second. So after this, you select the board as under Arduino AV or board, Arduino UNO board you select, and select the port. Here I have selected COM3. Then you upload the program. So by clicking this, you will upload the program. So first it will compile, and if no errors, it will give the compiling is done successfully. Done compiling. After that, it is loading. So uploading here. So done uploading. So in this way, you can upload your program to Arduino UNO board.